ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Manish Chatrath balong unang pet ka jela Meghalaya bala thong kerpang da All India Congress Committee ulaong baka Congress ka dan ka jing Shaniah ki Paidbah chung jela Meghalaya bakin Pynjop biang sasisian ya kertong MP na Shillong ha ka Elekshon sha Lok Sabha ka ban salong house name araja rapsau ha ka jing karan megila pathai kubor Chatrath ulaong ru ba udan ka jing kermen bagi Paidbah na rilum garo kin Pynjop wat ya kertong jong ka Congress na tura ha ka Election Lok Sabha.
Giving time. Today, as you know, the youth convention has been organized by the youth president and his team, and we all are here from Delhi and other parts of the country to address the same and share our views, share their thoughts and guide them for a better future for the Congress party, for the organization. Thank you. See, preparation is an ongoing process, whether election is on or not on, during the course of building of organization, which Congress party has always been doing it. As far as election in Khasi region and Garo region is concerned, we are well equipped with very senior leaders, and there are not one, there are many candidates, but in the end it is the screening committee at Delhi which decides, and further it goes to the Central Election Committee which decides which leader has a better chance of winning. But as far as our local MPCC team is concerned under Palaji, we are very sure, we are very positive that we will be electing both the candidates and giving it to the leadership. Because if you see, after this government has come in the month of February, March, things are changing. Whatever they had promised, they are not able to deliver. In their last term also, what was promised was hardly delivered. So now people slowly they are understanding what this government is up to. Unemployment is at peak. So I think it is going to be a change as far as Lok Sabha elections are concerned, and we are very confident both the seats we will win. No, it's not a matter of choosing from one place or another. There is a system in the Congress party since the beginning. There is a Pradesh Election Committee at the state level which comes up with the names of candidates. Then it is discussed by a screening committee which is formed by the All India Congress Committee, which has many senior leaders in that, along with PCC President, CLP leader and in charge. And after that, this entire list goes to the Central Election Committee, which is headed by the Congress President and which has leaders like Sonia Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji, Venugopal ji, a team of senior 12-13 leaders, and they finally decide.